welcome to my channel and thanks for tuning in. Today I've decided to do a video on my hair care routine. Recently on Instagram I posted a video of my curly hair ensemble that I did, and I was asked how did I achieve the look. So I took it upon myself to say, let's make a video of how I go from A to B to C to D to, you know, the final because at the moment it looks really bad. It's due for a wash. It is actually overdue. My hair is not as dry and as coarse as it used to be, and I used to get really bad itchy flaky scalp, and I'm using particular products which has stopped that. So I would like to go through the steps if you'd like to see, and if you do, keep watching how I go from this to So the first step that I have been doing of recent is pre-poo. There are many products on the market that you can use to pre-poo your hair. Some people go for the natural route, some people go for the shop bought products. I particularly have been going down the natural route. I've tried the bentonite clay and apple cider vinegar. I really didn't like the smell, and I didn't really feel that it moisturized my hair or helped with my curl pattern. But what I have felt that has worked for me is aloe vera. The big difference I found is my scalp is less itchy since I've been using this and less flaky, and my hair doesn't get as tangled as quickly. That's what I've definitely noticed, and I've definitely noticed some length, some growth since I've been using aloe vera. If you want to see how I get the aloe vera from, extract it from the leaf into the jar, let me know and I'll make a video and show you how I do that. So what I like to do first is to section my hair off into 4 parts, and how I like to go in with my finger and just make a part through the middle. I put it into 2 parts, get my hairband. So with the back section, as you can see, I got hair. I first start off with my brush, my denim bronze, just to detangle, make it knot free. See, now the brush is going through completely, you can see. So now that's detangled, I just put it in a twist. So it's going to get messy, so have a hand towel for your hands and a towel to place around your neck, and take my first section, aloe vera. You can use gloves, but I like to just use my hands. It's just, I'm doing it on myself, so I'm going to remove my glasses. Oh, hello. I can't see a thing. It's really gooey, slimy, and it's cold because it's been in the fridge. I like to prepare my aloe vera the night before. So you just get your gel, rub it down in your hair shaft, use your fingers, rub it on the ends, rub it all over, can you see? And I like to go in. And then I just, again, put it in some twist. Aloe vera. Yeah, it's really sticky. I really like to get in on the edges, you know. Can you see? I've got a thing about edges. Just massage that in. Feels good. Taking care of yourself is a lot, isn't it? So as a woman, there's always something to do. It's not your hair, it's your makeup or your eyebrows or your teeth, or it's something, your body, your bum, your breast, your belly. Yeah, I need to do something about my belly, yeah. But my husband likes it, so I think that's why I'm lazy regarding getting rid. Not that you guys are here for that, but hey. I've done all 4. What I then like to do is go in with my brush and just starting at the end just to make sure I've taken out all the knots, and this just helps to distribute the aloe vera through your hair. And then this is the real messy bit. I take the end of the tub and now I just start to pour directly. Oh my god, it's all over the carpet. He's gonna kill me, guys, but that's okay, I can clean it. Now you can really hear. Look at that.
Do not do what I've done, like pour it all over the carpet. So that's it, all finished. Yay, cheers! Wash that in. Let it get onto your scalp. Take your time with it as well. Once you've distributed all your aloe vera over your hair, you've brushed it out, you'll be looking something like me, a bit of a hot mess. You can wrap your hair with cling film. I tend not to at this stage. What I like to do is just put it back up in a bun, one of my hairbands, and with a shower cap. I just place a shower cap on my head now. Some people I've seen that they sleep with it on. I don't like sleeping with wet hair, so it's not for me. I tend to do this in the day. So yeah, I'll leave this on for an hour to 2 hours and get to step 2. I better clean the carpet. I just want to point something out, that prior to using aloe vera on my hair, I never used to get, can you see the curls? Before, they used to be so straight. Can you see the ends? That's how they used to be, all like from root to end. I'm going to rinse my hair thoroughly with warm water, and then I'll be doing 2 shampoos using my shampoo. Favorite product. As soon as I've washed my hair normally, my scalp starts to irritate me and it starts to itch straight away. And I find with this shampoo, I don't get that reaction. I find it makes my hair nice and soft. Once I've washed my hair doesn't feel dry and, you know, it hasn't clumped together. You know, like sometimes your hair can go a bit like candy floss or cotton. I find this product doesn't make that happen. I decided to take this thing one step further and just come in and show you how well it lathers up. Look at that. Okay, admittedly, look at the curls. Hello, so lovely. Remember when I said it doesn't make your hair all tangly? Watch this. Like, this is shampoo, guys, and my hands can just run through my hair, no problem. And yeah. Lots of lather. That's the doorbell. Amazon. So for treatment, I use the Cream of Nature Intense Conditioning Treatment alongside, not just by itself, the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey. I like to combine them together. I find that it works for me. It's like inside. So now I like to use my Afro comb, and I've got some hair clips. And I like to use a tint brush. You don't have to, but it just makes me feel a bit more professional. And at this bit, you're going to need some cling film. So I'm going back down the middle again. Now imagine I've just shampooed my hair and you just saw how I could just put my finger through it. No problem. Glasses off. So I get my first section. Using my tint brush and conditioner, just go in. I'm going from root to end. Do you know what? This time around, I can't believe how many greys I've found. Girl's really getting old. Normally, you're meant to go from conditioner straight into cling film, but I don't like to do that. I like to go back into the bathroom and I just damp my hair slightly just to help the distribution of the conditioner. Now you can see that the conditioner has loosened up due to the fact that I've just dampened my hair slightly. I prefer doing it this way because then I have some control over how much conditioner I put in my hair. When I apply conditioner to my hair when it's wet, I feel that I tend to use more for some crazy reason. I don't know if anyone else does that. Afro comb now and just continue to detangle. You can see nothing's really coming out. Where before, when I used to do my hair, oh my gosh, every step I had like balls of hair in the comb. I guess when you're blessed with thick hair like me, you take it for granted, right? It takes something like heat damage to make you realise that you need to look after your hair better. Well, they say it's better late than never. I like to just bubble it back up in a little bun. Get my hairband where my ears hold and just wrap around. Then just keep going. Now it's stable. Just pull it up. So I like to use the Aphrodite heat cap. I'm not good with hood dryers. I used to have one and I never sat under it because it gets too hot. After like 5 minutes, I'm done. This works perfectly for me. Some people say it doesn't get hot enough, but I like it. I put it on. So here we go. On it goes. You have this little lock that you place your cap on where you want it. And then I just lock under my chin like so. 1, 2, 3. There's a little light that indicates, and it's got the number 3 inside. So I'm going to sit under here for half an hour, but while I'm doing that, I'm a multitasker. Got to do things all together. I'm going to be doing my 3D teeth whitening. Why not? No, now I got that on. I start talking funny like this, but I got my little UV. Been rinsed. You can see we've got lovely curl pattern. Like white flakes, but they're all gone. That's just the aloe vera. It happens. It's normal. When it comes to rinsing your conditioner, rinse your hair for about 3 minutes. I don't blow dry my hair. I haven't for a while now. I just let it dry naturally, and how I do that is I just have 2 cane rolls or 4 braids. For moisturising my hair, I've decided to start mixing my own hair oils and hair creams because I've got like itchy scalp issues. I wanted to use more products with peppermint, but I found that the ones that we're getting, you couldn't really feel any tingling sensations. There's this crazy notion that if it's tingling, it's working, and that's kind of what I want. Hair cream. It's got like a greenish colour, and this is my hair oil. It's also green. I'll list the ingredient list, so if you want to mix it for yourself, you're more than welcome. And if you want to see how I mix them, let me know in the description. Get the cream on. So I just take some cream in my hands and just kind of finger comb my hair and just get it in. Peppermint and rosemary in here. You can really smell that. I'm back with the denim brush. I'm not using a comb. That cream smells amazing. I'm not even saying it just because I made it. Like, if you're a big fan of peppermint, then you know exactly what I mean. Really get the cream in on the edges. And I'll just do 4 braids. I'm going to do something I haven't done in a while. I'm going to recreate that picture that I put up on Instagram with my curly hair. Yes, I'm going to go against the odds and use a wand because that's how I created that hairstyle. So I can't wait to see the difference in the curl, in the texture of my hair. Yeah, I'm excited. I can't wait. I've got my 4 plaits. I like to get my, I've taken off the nib. I think some of the bits of the horsetail leaf are blocking. A small amount with my finger and just run it along my part ends. I think on a whole it looks clean. I can't wait. Let me know if you get up to making any of your own homemade products, or if you think this video was helpful, if it was good for you, if it gave you some insight. Shout a girl, hit a girl up, fill me in. Yeah, I can't wait to show you the finale. Ciao.